What's up guys, welcome back. Demon Slayer today, Akaza and Hakuji, his human form. So Hakuji that side, Akaza on this side. So it's split portrait, so I'm going to divide my page in half. You can measure it, you can measure your page to find the exact middle, or I like to just like fold it, like you might be able to see, like there's a crease here. So I just fold it, gets you exact center. But if you don't like a fold being on your page, obviously measuring is the way to go then. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this half line. Alrighty, so who will we begin with? Hakuji maybe. So it's serious Hakuji, like when he like loses it. So let's start with those big eyelashes, right? So we'll just do the inside line first. So it just comes over. You start adding some spikes. And then this spikes up. And then I think it just goes down this way. And then the other side comes across the bottom. This comes down under his eyes then. And there, and these are all like colored, that purple color. Well, pink, purple. And then the side of his eye there. So we just have his normal blue eyes here. And a pupil. So we got like an eyelid line just above. And then his eyebrow, sharp eyebrows in Demon Slayer, just curving across. And then pink area you can add color to just there. So only half portrait. We can see his nostril this side. See the nostril of the Akaza on the other side, but this is, we'll do this side first. And then that sort of diamond on the chin. And then his chin just coming this way, coming out for his jaw. It's a gradual curve all the way up beside his eyelashes there. So in Demon Slayer, they kind of gradually curve things rather than a sharp line. And above here we have a V. And his ear comes out from there. Got some ear lines inside. And then his hairline, so it just comes up and adds like zigzags all the way up. Excuse me. This goes the other way then. Boom, boom, boom. Just like some hatching on the nose as well. This side of his face, or this side of his head, we got the hair spikes. Short hair spikes. Some sticking out here. Hair just going all that way. And then his neck here, down that way. And then his collarbones are in there. And he's got his kimono. Or is it a gi? It's like because he's a karate guy, isn't he? Well, martial arts anyway. And then his shoulder just goes off the page, down that way. Right, so you're just going to draw this over here and then add Akaza's sort of eye and those blue stripes. Same sort of thing, right? So we'll do his eyelashes again. Like that. And the eyes are real big, so you can't fit a full eye in there. You know, if you fit a full eye, you'd probably go too far. Maybe the white part, I suppose. Maybe like the tear duct to the inside of his, the outside of this, so here to here, will probably fit in between, you know, just for distance. And then this comes across. Eyelashes there, down that way. And then we'll do his big golden yellow demon eye on this side. Has writing on the inside of it. Now, if you're better at calligraphy than I am, feel free to go for it, but I'll just add the rough sort of sketch of it. Try and get it generally as good as I can with a pen. Do do do. I think that's the best I can do in here. And then, so nostril again, just down here, some hatching on the top. And his mouth, just the other half of it, so same thing again. This diamond. And then we'll do his face from his chin. So it's a gradual curve. Up to the eyelashes again. And up here we get a V. And then the ear. Let's stay on with his hairline. Then we got eyelid lines. I forgot about those, sorry. The eyebrow. I was like, why does he look so weird? I was like, oh yeah, he doesn't have an eyebrow. And then hair spikes just on this side as well. Just adding all the fringe lines and stuff just in here. Like so. And then his neck. Neck muscle in there. Another collarbone. And then he has just like a red waistcoat. And shoulder going down that way. Right now, so we can add all the blue markings. So he's one that comes down the middle of his nose. Right down the middle of his face, and then 3 that circle around. One. Where's that one go? So look out from here. And then on his neck. There we go. Akaza and Hakuji. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.